You're watching Hope TV.
Hope TV.
Hope TV.
Hope TV. We're watching
Hope TV.
You're watching Hope TV.
Hi, I am Toby Ames, a member of the CTV and one of the stars of the Hope TV.
And I'm Mike Nicholas, a manager with Hope Services Community Membership and Media Program, producer of Hope TV, and a CTV member.
We want to tell you why community television is important to us and important to our communities.
CTV is a cornerstone of our program. The Community Membership and Media Program is built around the idea that we can give people with disabilities an avenue to impact their community in a positive way by teaching media technologies. Through Hope TV, our participants are able to have their voices heard and educate the community about their lives and their abilities. Community television makes that possible.
I feel honored to be a member of the CTV and the studio. I learned how to use the studio camera. I learned about directing and interviewing people about things are important to me. I feel good about myself when I learn the new skills, and it feels great to be on TV. I like when people see my life and my abilities.
CTV offers a voice to the average citizen, not filtered through another agenda. CTV helps people like Toby tell their story. CTV is a bridge from you to your community.
I want to always be part of the CTV.
Good job.
Thanks.
That was really nice.